Slow and steady wins the race when it comes to supersizing your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. This is an Aesop fable. We've talked about this idiom before. I'm pretty positive we have. I think I took more the side of the hare back then, but this time we're going to talk about the advantages of being slow and steady, being consistent and persistent, and working hard and staying the course no matter what happens when it comes to supersizing and growing your business. This idiom, of course, means, and it comes from the story, Aesop's fable of the tortoise and the hare. Of course, I've got a hare up here, a little orange bunny. I don't know if it's a fast bunny. It's kind of a cute and fuzzy bunny. But the story is the hare was egotistical and known for his speed. The tortoise was, and this is probably not a tortoise, it's just a little turtle toy, out of one of those vending machines that the kids like to get the ducks out of, but now they have other animals. And the turtle was known for his slow pace, slow and steady, persistent pace to getting toward what he wanted. We can achieve our goals and objectives, and if our goal and objective is, of course, in this case, to supersize and grow our business, by being fast and hurrying and being, hustling and speedy. The universe loves speed. It loves when we create things quickly, but it also rewards us for being consistent and persistent and sticking to it and working hard and not giving up whenever we hit an obstacle or a challenge. So I am curious today, are you a turtle or a hare? I think I'm more of a hare than a turtle, but I'm also consistent and persistent because I know the power of that when it comes to getting what I want, especially for my life and my businesses. If I do something every day, I know I'll achieve my goals and objectives because I break it down that way and set myself up for success instead of setting myself up for failure. And one of the fastest, easiest ways we can set ourselves up for success is by creating routines and habits and rituals and things and automations and delegating and things that make sure the things that need to get done to achieve our goals becomes automatic. And when that happens, our goals are automatic. We just achieve them right and left, and we're kind of, surprised at how quickly and easily they come because we've created systems and processes for ensuring that we get what we want, ensuring that we grow and build and supersize our business. So I'd love to know your take on this particular idiom and fable. I think, almost every child I know has grown up with the story of the tortoise and the hare, and the lesson that you don't have to be the fastest one in the pack. You don't have to be the smartest. You don't have to be the anythingest in any area of your life, as long as it's what feels right to you and you're building and growing and creating what you want to see in the world. Then there's only one you, and I love this cup today. No one is you, and that is your superpower. So true. That's why I love the cup. If I can help you anyway, ask. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow with another interesting business-related idiom. Might not be business-related to begin with, but I'll make sure we find a way to tie it into growing and building your business and mine. Have a great day. I'll, of course, be with you tomorrow.